Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. From the background, I think you can tell that it's time for another house renovation video part 2. If you've missed the part 1, I'm gonna make sure to link it in the description box below. This is our dream home. This is my home with my parents, and in the first part I've shared with you guys an empty house tour, our vision for our house. Clearly it's still in the making, but we've made a lot of progress. Today is Dashera, तो हम कुम रखने आए हैं. So we're gonna do a little bit of a puja and keep the kum in this house. Okay, so I think it's only fitting to give you guys kind of like an update as to what has happened already. So let me do that quickly. Okay, so starting off with the hall. Literally कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है hall में. This we're gonna be doing last. There's no update in terms of the hall. Kitchen भी I think last time मैंने जितना दिखाया था उतना ही है. Kitchen is something that's gonna happen towards the end. So this is my Nana's room. ऑलमोस्ट हो गया है. यहाँ पे एक रेडीमेड बेड ही आने वाला है. सो मोस्टली सब कुछ हो गया. अभी सिर्फ पेंटिंग एंड फिनिशिंग टचेस बाकी है. आई थिंक माई पेरेंट्स रूम इज द वन दैट इज मोस्टली डन एंड इट्स लुकिंग रियली कूल. यहाँ पे there's going to be a door which is going to be a mirror, so you can't really even tell कि वो washroom है. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Bed का side का area है. Mostly सारा कुछ हो चुका है. Oh, I hope you guys have noticed the arches. All the doors are arches as I had mentioned last time around. This is my room. मैं ज़्यादा spoiler नहीं देने वाली हूँ, but ये bathroom है और ये ऐसे ही खुला रहने वाला है. Honestly और कुछ हुआ नहीं है, to be very honest. Bed का सिर्फ फ्रेमवर्क हुआ है एंड देन दैट्स बेसिकली इट. और कुछ अभी तक हुआ नहीं है मेरे रूम में बिकॉज वी वर आई वॉज अ लिटिल कंफ्यूज एज टू वॉट आई वॉन्टेड टू डू एंड द 3Ds दैट वर शेयर्ड विथ मी आई वॉज नॉट हैप्पी विथ देम. सो थोड़ा सा बैक एंड फोर्थ हुआ है विच इज़ वाई माई रूम इज़ नॉट रियली डन. वन मोर लुक एट माई बेडरूम. दैट्स द बाथरूम एंड यहाँ पे थोड़े चेस्ट ऑफ ड्रॉर्स है, डेकोरेशन के लिए एरिया है एंड दैट्स द डॉग. दैट वॉज द लिटिल अपडेट that I have for you guys. That's basically it. I am assuming at least 1.5 months लगने वाला है for the house to completely be done. But in the meanwhile, we've started kind of ordering stuff so that we are ready. I'm gonna go home. And tomorrow I'm gonna do like a mini haul of things that we've ordered and like decoration items, like the fun part of it. So we'll do that tomorrow. How excited are you guys?
Oh, very much. Today we have put the kum. So we are going to stay here.
Oh yeah, आज रात को हम पूरी रात यहाँ पे रहने वाले हैं.
So it's going to be a very different experience.
Correct.
घर में पूरा काम नहीं हुआ है मगर we are very excited to spend the night.
Yes.
मैं भी यही रूम में सोएंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा हवा है.
सारे रूम्स में वैसे काफ़ी अच्छी हवा है और लाइट.
यहाँ पे बेस्ट है.
Now you have to tell me one thing that you are excited about. Like after shifting here, क्या करने के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा excited हो?
मेरा हाई फ्लोर पे रहने का मन था. I think that is going to be most exciting.
Nice.
And of course the amenities are top class.
True.
So that we are going to utilize.
Yes, mummy. I know your answer, but
Tell me first.
making your balcony,
Of course.
keeping plants in every room.
Yeah. I was just going to say beautiful home, beautiful amenities, but of course we are going to have balcony in our home.
This is the first time in our life we have a balcony, ne?
Yeah. After my mom's home, we have a balcony in this house. So yeah, I'm very excited and
And
let's see.
also, this is the biggest house that we will ever stay in. That is also very exciting.
Yeah, our own big house with a balcony.
Okay, back home and it's time for a quick haul. I've picked up quite a few things, a lot of different things. I would say I might have started using a few things already for my studio right here, but mostly I'm going to be taking them to the new home. So all the home decor that I've picked up is from Instagram stores. The first Instagram store, I believe you pronounce the name Hippie, is the name of the Instagram store, and I feel like overall they have the cutest pillow covers, rugs, and I've picked up quite a few of them. The first one that I picked up is this one. Now sage green is a color that you're going to be seeing quite a lot. You can make your guesses as to where this color is going to be used, but this is the first one that I picked up. It's like a macrame, very soothing, very pretty. Also, this comes with a pillow as well, not just the pillow cover, which I really appreciate. Then we have another pillow cover in a green tone, green family में ही है. ये 699 rupees का था. Overall prices I feel like are pretty good. Comes with a pillow again. Then we have these two right here. These are called the sunshine pillows, which are so cute. They have tassels all around them. Clearly I'm loving the rustic vibe. I love this color. I feel like it pairs really well with sage and of course a neutral tone as well. Oh, and I also picked up another pillowcase from them. Very cute. I love the pop of mustard. It's actually very not my style, but I like it. I quite like it. And then the last thing that I got from Hippie is this rug, which I refuse to use because I will only use this एक बार नए घर में जाके because I love it so much. So soft. I'll pop up a picture on the screen so that you can actually see it for yourself properly what it looks like. I love the colors, all the pastel colors. I feel like this might work really well with my bedroom. So I'm gonna give Hippie a big thumbs up for its quality and also the aesthetic that they have been maintaining. The next brand that we have is called the Orbi House. Now they have some really quirky ceramic items, so I decided to pick exactly that. Candle holders are really trendy these days, so I picked up these two colors, a pastel pink and then a very pretty, what would you call this shade, like a sage green only, almost like a green, pastel green. Super cute. Then I also picked up this vase right here. Very cute. I love the color. I feel like just one flower, maybe like a white flower, would look really cute coming out of this. Guys, look at this mug. It's so quirky. I'm telling you, they have some of the like weirdest but cutest ceramics. Very cool. Clearly I'm loving like the pastel pink vibe, and all of these items are gonna go really well with my new bedroom. I also picked up this bowl from them. I just thought this would be so good for the festive season, and I did actually end up using it for my Diwali party. So yeah, pick this one up as well. I'm actually gonna make sure to link a few of their other products in the description box below, which I think are really cool. I was gonna say cool and quirky, which is why I kind of stumbled, but you get it. The next brand that we have is called Rugme. They do rugs and they also do like these really cool mirrors which have rugs around them, if I'm explaining that correctly. So this is the first mirror that they sent me. I think it's so cool. I love the quality. I think it's very unique, and it's definitely a newer product in the market, I feel like. And I feel like it's not that expensive either. There's one more mirror coming very soon. I'm gonna pop up a picture on the screen of what it looks like. I haven't received it yet, but I'm really looking forward to it. By the way, they also do custom rugs and also custom mirrors. You can pull up a picture from Instagram, from Pinterest and send them and they'll make it for you. The last brand that we have is called Let's Do The Rooms. So Let's Do The Rooms is kind of known for its wall stickers. I feel like it's a really unique product that they sell. And I saw these tulip flower stickers. They look really cool. The way they've used it in their reels, I was really drawn to them. It's very cute, I feel. So I'm excited to try these out. So these are individual ones, so easier to apply. And साथ में from Let's Do The Rooms, I also ordered this set of 3 pillowcases. It's in a very neutral tone, very boho macrame vibes. I just thought those would just work really well in any room, to be very honest, whether it be the living room, my bedroom, my parents' room, Nana's room, कहीं पे भी रख दो वो बहुत अच्छे लगने वाले हैं. Of course, I'll make sure to link all of these Instagram stores in the description box below and the products as well. Make sure to support these local businesses in case you like any of these products. And I hope you guys liked part 2 of the house renovation series. We still haven't gotten around to find a name that I like, to be honest, but that's okay. This was episode 2. I'm really excited for episode 3 because I feel like that is going to be the one where we really move in and you guys get that grand, not the main reveal, but more insight into it. But that's it. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!